Okay, guys, so we have the following problem. It says, please solve the following and show your work. And based on the title, we can see that we're dealing with solving two-steps equations. So that means that it's going to take us 2 steps in order to solve for our variable, which in this case is n. Okay, so I'm just going to rewrite the equation. We have 4n plus 4 equals 8. Okay, so remember, our goal is to isolate n, to get n by itself. Okay, so my first thing that I want to do in solving a two-step equation, I want to undo any addition or subtraction that I see. So if you notice here, I do see a plus 4 here. So I want to undo that plus 4 first. So because I have a plus 4 here, to undo that or to use inverse operations, I will subtract 4 and 4. But to maintain equivalence, whatever I do to one side, I have to also do it on the other. So I just drew the line across the equation sign just so I could differentiate between the left side and the right side. So I'm also going to subtract 4 from the right side. Okay. So since these are opposites, we could cross them out. They cancel each other out. And we're just left with 4n equals 8 minus 4, which is just 4. Now notice that I'm back to one-step equations, what we've been doing now, right? So now I want to undo any multiplication or division. Notice here that even though we don't see an operation, guys, anytime you see a coefficient, the number in front of a variable, and there's no operation in between, the operation is multiplication. It is automatically multiplication. So because 4 and n are being multiplied by each other, to undo that multiplication, the inverse operation of multiplication is division. So I'm going to divide both sides by 4. So when I divide both sides by 4, I have n is equal to 1. And there's my answer.